The 6th Grotches Choir Contest was held at Hambat Arts Center on 29. A total of 13 local choirs in Korea participated, and Grotches Choir Association announced that it prepared this competition with the purpose of reflecting the meaning of praising God. Starting with the Glass Choir from the western part of Seoul, 13 teams competed one by one, and set the stage with one black spiritual song and another of the theme song of the competition. After competition, the founder of Grotches Choir, Pastor Ok-soo Park, delivered a message of encouragement to local choirs. The Roundtree Choir from Daejeon won the silver prize and Best Conductor Award. Azalea Choir from Eastern Seoul won the gold prize, and the grand prize went to New Song Choir from Southern Gyeonggi Province. They look forward to choir using the competition as a stepping stone to further develop their skills. Good News Seongbuk Church held a joint worship service with Pastor Ok-soo Park on 3rd. About 500 believers in Seongbuk welcomed Pastor Ok-soo Park and Grotches Choir, who were busy evangelizing the gospel. Starting with a performance by pianist Seok Seung Hwan, Grotches Choir performed amid cheers to the congregation. Pastor Ok-soo Park preached from John chapter 2 on theme, distinguish between spirit and body and live a precious life that follows the heart of Jesus. After sermon, an ordination ceremony was held for the patients. The believers in Seongbuk expressed their feelings, saying it was a time when they gained strength to run the gospel together. On 28 June, a regular CLF meeting was held at the newly opened Bethlehem Church in center of Kampala City, Uganda. Apostle Stephen of Nangabo Prayer Center and Bishop Nathan of Bethel Tabernacle Church attended and graced the occasion, and missionary Kim Young-jin of Kampala Church gave a lecture on topic of tabernacle following the previous regular meeting. The tabernacle lecture is receiving great response as a lecture that helps pastors gain confidence in true love of Jesus and the gospel. They hope that many pastors will be convinced of true salvation and faith and continue to interact through regular CLF meetings. On 28th, a Korean language camp was held at San Andoni Language, Culture and Education Center in Paraguay. About 200 students from Juan Pablo High School participated and experienced Korean culture, games, dances, taekwondo, and learning Korean language. Pastor Hyoke Han of Asuncion Church in Paraguay preached the gospel to students, explaining the new strength that comes from God. Principal Juan Pablo High School promised to provide mind education every grade starting next semester and allow students to participate in various activities through the IYF Club. South Africa's Good News Johannesburg Church held a CLF for bishops in two areas, Everton and Sasolburg, on 3rd. Pastor Jin Kim gave a lecture on the importance of an accurate and pure gospel and explained the true forgiveness of sins that comes only through the blood and faith of Jesus. The pastors sympathized with the lack of youth activities and religious education by church leaders and requested continued cooperation and help. They agreed to plan future events such as Bible seminars to spread the gospel to more people.